How to curve a line in Canva. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. There is no direct way of curving a line in Canva. However, you're in the right place if you want to do so. I'm going to show you two ways to curve a line. So let's get into it. So just to note that there is no straightforward way of curving a line. If you're going into elements and you go to shapes and you'll find there is a line here, there's nothing that you can do to it to curve it. What we're going to do is remove that, and we're going to go up to search elements, and here we're going to type in curved line. From the results, you can see that there are graphics, there are also shapes, and a bunch of other elements. However, the graphics will be your best bet, so you need to click on see all, and here you can scroll down and select the curved line that you would like. Additional to this, you can go ahead, for example, and double click on the curved line. You will now see on the left hand side this option menu will appear, making sure that it says crop and aspect ratio is on freeform. You can click down on this and hold in shift, and you can actually change what the line looks like. So you can actually go ahead and move the line and change its aspect. So the other way of doing this is actually creating a text box on the left hand side, and here you can create any type of text style. So I'm going to use a heading. From here, you're going to go ahead and hold in shift, and you are going to type in a couple underscores. What you can now do with these underscores is at the top, you'll see effects. You're going to select effects, and you're going to come down to shape, and here you can click on curve. This will curve the shape of the text, and here you can change the properties of the curve with the dial or typing in a number. If this video did give you some value, go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time.